Hello kids. Today learn ABCD and 1 2. Now start. A B C D one two three four Now learn color name. Brown color, red color, light pink color, green color, pink color, sea green color, green color, orange color, black color, yellow color, sky blue color, pink color. A for aeroplane. Aeroplane. B for ball. C for car. D for dog. One two three four Please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.